Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to verify Wise business account. So you need to know that this method will work with any account, whether you are opening a personal or business account. So let's get into the steps. To verify your account in Wise, you have to send them some information like your national ID. And to do so, follow these steps. First, let's sign in using our account on Wise. Then what you should do is to click on send right here. Then you will have to enter amount of money in any currency that you need and enter also the recipient currency. And after that, you will have to choose the payment method, but you can choose anything. This is just for the demonstration and because we just want to verify the account. After that, click on continue. And after click on continue, you'll have to choose a recipient. So in my case, I'll choose myself as a recipient. And after that, they will show you this message that you have to verify before you send money. And to do so, there are two methods. You can get a link by email and you can open this email through your phone and try to take a photo of yourself. Or you can simply choose the scan a QR code. Then after that, they will show you a QR code. You can scan it using your mobile. And after that, you will be able to send them a photo of yours. But make sure that you download the Wise application on your phone. And once you go and open your email, if you choose to send it by email, you'll find this message. You'll have to click on verify your ID. They'll ask you to take a clear photo of your ID. And you'll have also to take a photo of yourself and make sure that your face is fully visible. So if you are wearing glasses like me, you have to wear it off. And make sure to have a clear photo with good illumination. And after that, you will have to send them both photos, the photo of your ID and the photo of yourself. Then you'll have to contact them and they will resend you back a verification email to your inbox telling you that your account is verified. And after that, you can simply use the Wise bank account in order to send, transfer, or do any transactions. And after finishing the verification, you'll have to go to the transfer that you wanted to make. Then it will show you this message. You can simply click on yes, I have finished verifying. And after that, your transaction will be proceeded and you will be able to send money to the recipient. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.